All right, it's Thursday, May 30th. I'm buying some NVDA here at 1134.73. This is on the potential red to green move that might be unfolding today. Obviously, we have the downward bias to start the session, took out the pre-market lows, and then we're getting the kind of the two down, two up kind of move starting here. So I'm buying it at the blue line, seeing if we work back up in the range. In the big picture, all this opening move down was kind of it made a two up day, at kind of all-time highs, came down to about the midpoint of that day, and we might be reversing up. I see the overall market potentially reversing up. We'll get to that on a recap in terms of how it started lower, took out some liquidity, and now might be heading higher. And I'm just going with one of the stronger stocks out there on its reversal and just seeing where it can go. The first move would kind of be towards yesterday's close. We have to see if it gets through the first bar, midpoint here to start testing those highs of the day. A little tricky, after this big move up, you do expect a little consolidation that, with the bias to the upside. So that might be what's forming here. But I think there's enough volatility in play to get this to at least kind of work up to, into this zone right in here. There's no real targets per se at the moment other than just picking or, saying we took out some liquidity to the downside and it's an overall uptrend in an overall choppy kind of area that's going to eventually, I still think, go higher. But, at this point, since we don't have momentum, then you're looking for takeout liquidity before buying and looking for signals. And this could be it. Again, we'll see if we just get enough of a push up here to scale outside of those trades, see if this becomes the low of the day. And, hopefully maybe things really strengthen up in the market a little bit. And this one could move back up to that 1150 area. That seems to be the area at the top of the range as it's going back and forth. So we'll see if it, just gets a little bit of follow through here. And then I could see if it works up to the 1150 area. And that would be a nice kind of base hit kind of gain on the day. Again, just kind of the logic that the market itself might be stabilizing here after a morning move down, and we'll see if NVIDIA is one of the stocks that can rally a little bit if that's the case.